Hey kiddo, I figured I would go on ahead and record an explanation for you, see if it helps. So 8x plus 4y is blank 2, 4, and then inside the parentheses 2x plus 1, end parentheses. What you're supposed to do is figure out if 8x plus 4y is equal or not equal to 4 in parentheses 2x plus 1 in parentheses. So the 8x plus 4y, we can't do anything with that because there's no like terms there that we can combine. So we'll keep our 8x plus 4y. All right, and now when we go over to the other expression, we need to use the distributive property. So, and we're using the distributive property because nothing inside the parentheses can be combined because 2x and 1 are not like terms. So we'll use the distributive property. So we multiply everything that is inside the parentheses by the 4 that is right next to it on the outside of the parentheses. So 4 times 2x gets us 8x. And then 4 times 1 gets us 4. So you can see that 8x plus 4y is not equal to 8x plus 4. Hope that helps, kiddo.